Here's 35. I think your mistake came with the quotient rule. So remember, this is always hard for me to remember it. I always feel uncertain, but it's quotient rule is denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator all over denominator squared. And you did the opposite. You had the derivative of the denominator times the numerator as the first term. That might have been the only mistake. I'm not sure. This was correct. X equals 0, y equals 1, y prime equals negative 1 over e. And just for fun, let's go through the whole thing. So you got y prime right. So y double prime equals denominator x plus e to the y times derivative of the numerator equals negative y prime. Right, and then minus derivative of the denominator, which is 1 plus e to the y times y prime times the numerator, negative y, and that's all over x plus e to the y squared. So now we can substitute in, let's see, x equals 0 plus e to the y is 1, so that's e. Y prime is negative 1 over e. And we have the negative of y prime, so we just have 1 over e minus 1 plus e to the y, again, is just e. And y prime is negative 1 over e. And remember to keep all your parentheses straight, times negative y, which is negative 1. And this is all going to be over 0 plus e squared. So that equals, this is just really e times 1 over e, so that's 1 minus, this is e times negative 1 over e, this is negative 1, so it's 1 minus 1, or 0 times negative 1, that's just 0, all over e squared equals 1 over e squared. Is that right? Answer should be 1 over e squared. There it is.